Hello, and welcome. In this video, we'll take a look at SOC automation and outbreak services in FortiAnalyzer. The SOC Automation Service delivers continuously updated content packs directly from FortiGuard, including premium reports, alert handlers, correlation rules, and third-party log parsers. When a new content pack is released, FortiAnalyzer applies it automatically. Here you can see everything applied to this FortiAnalyzer. The summary charts break down available objects by config type, minimum version, and vendor. Below that, the full object table is organized by content pack, with columns covering the object name, type, description, release date, and the vendor it integrates with. Outbreak Alerts gives administrators direct visibility into active and emerging threats from FortiGuard. Each alert is a comprehensive threat report covering attack background, affected technologies, and threat intelligence, including indicators of compromise and TTPs. The table shows each outbreak's name and CV numbers, severity, affected vendor, outbreak type, and both the original published date and the latest update from FortiGuard, so your team is always working with current intelligence.